Hello, our lovely students. Welcome back to Active English Lab.
Hey friends, I'm John, and today Lily and I are going to cover a very important topic.
Yes, John. Today we're talking about how to make small talk in English. Please, please, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us a lot.
Absolutely, Lily. Small talk is one of the biggest challenges for English learners. But don't worry, we'll teach you step by step today.
Do you know what small talk means, friends? It's not about big, deep topics, but daily, simple, friendly conversations like weather, weekend plans, hobbies.
Exactly, and these conversations happen everywhere. At work, at school, at bus stops, waiting in line at cafes. You might need to start a small conversation anytime.
So why is small talk so important? Because it's the first step to connecting with people. New friendships, job opportunities, even romantic relationships can start with a small conversation.
You're right, Lily, and today we'll teach you the most common small talk topics. Plus, we'll practice repeating every sentence. This shadowing practice will really help your speaking and pronunciation.
Yes, let's start with our first topic, the most popular small talk subject, weather. British people especially love talking about the weather.
True. Weather is a safe topic. It doesn't bother anyone. You can talk about it with everyone. Here are some simple sentences.
Nice weather today, isn't it? Let's repeat together. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Perfect. Another example. It's quite cold this morning. Repeat. It's quite cold this morning.
Great! Now let's learn how people might respond to you. If someone comments about the weather, what can you say?
You can say, yes, it is, or I agree, or actually, I find it a bit warm.
Let's do repeat practice, friends. Repeat after me. Yes, it is. I agree. Actually, I find it a bit warm.
Great job. Now let's learn how to continue weather conversations. I hope it stays sunny for the weekend.
Excellent. Or, they say it might rain tomorrow. Let's repeat. I hope it stays sunny for the weekend. They say it might rain tomorrow.
Very good. Now, here's an important tip. When making small talk, don't forget to ask questions to keep the conversation going. Like, what do you think about this weather?
Absolutely, John. Now let's move to other popular topics besides weather. Weekend plans. This is also a very common small talk topic.
Yes. Any plans for the weekend? This is a very natural question. Let's repeat. Any plans for the weekend?
And, as an answer, not much, just relaxing at home. Or, I'm going to visit some friends.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Not much, just relaxing at home. I'm going to visit some friends.
Perfect. Now we can take it further and ask the other person too. How about you? This is a very important phrase.
Right, Lily? How about you makes the other person talk too. The conversation doesn't become one-sided. Let's repeat. How about you?
Now, friends, let me give you a very practical tip. Don't overdo it when making small talk. Don't share very personal information. Stick to simple, surface-level topics.
Exactly. For example, don't discuss your family's private problems with someone you just met. Instead, stay with general, safe topics.
Now, another popular subject, work and school. How's work going? Or how are your studies?
You can give simple answers to these questions. Pretty good, thanks. Or a bit busy, but fine.
Let's practice. Repeat, how's work going? Pretty good, thanks. A bit busy, but fine.
Excellent. Now let's teach you other ways to start conversations. Giving compliments. I like your jacket.
That's a great way, John. Compliments make people happy and start conversations. That's a nice car. Or, your English is really good.
Repeat practice. I like your jacket. That's a nice car. Your English is really good.
And of course, you should know how to respond when you receive compliments. Thank you is the simplest answer, or that's very kind of you.
Right. But in English culture, deflecting compliments is also common. You can give modest answers like, "Oh, this old thing?"
Let's practice. Thank you. That's very kind of you. Oh, this old thing?
Now, friends, let's learn how to continue conversations. Follow-up questions are very important. When someone tells you something, ask more questions about that topic.
For example, when someone says, I went to the cinema yesterday, you can say, oh really? What did you watch? This keeps the conversation alive.
Exactly. Or to someone who says, I love cooking. You can say, that's interesting. What's your favorite dish to make? Let's practice. Oh, really? What did you watch? That's interesting. What's your favorite dish to make?
Great. Now let's teach you another very important topic, finding common ground. If you find common hobbies or interests with a person, the conversation flows much easier.
Yes, like, I also love reading. Or, me too, I play tennis as well. These expressions help build connections. Let's repeat, I also love reading. Me too, I play tennis as well.
Now, friends, let's tell you the topics you should avoid when making small talk. Political topics, religion, personal financial situations, health problems.
Right, Lily. These topics can be controversial. Try not to get into these subjects, especially with people you just met.
Instead, stick to safe topics. Weather, weekend plans, hobbies, food, movies, music, travel.
Now let's move to a very practical section. Let's give you real-life examples. For instance, you meet someone in an elevator.
You can say, going up, or you can simply start with, good morning.
Or you're waiting in line at a cafe. You can say, it's quite busy today.
Let's repeat. Going up, good morning. It's quite busy today.
We can multiply these examples. At a bus stop, the bus is late again.
At the supermarket. Long queues today. Or, excuse me, do you know where the milk is?
Let's practice. The bus is late again. Long queues today. Excuse me, do you know where the milk is?
Now here's a very important point. Body language. Don't forget to smile when making small talk. Make eye contact. This is very important.
Absolutely. People should feel that you enjoy talking with them. Don't look at your phone. Don't get distracted. Focus on the person in front of you.
And the tone of our voice is also very important. Don't speak monotonously. Use a slightly energetic, friendly tone.
Now let's teach you how to end conversations. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Or, I should get going, but have a great day.
Well, it was nice talking to you. I should get going, but have a great day.
Sometimes you might not want to continue the conversation. That's normal. You can politely say, nice meeting you, and leave.
Now, friends, let's give you examples for different age groups and situations. Be more respectful when talking with elderly people.
You can use formal greetings like, good afternoon, sir, or madam, or how are you today, is a more polite approach.
With young people, you can be more relaxed. You can use casual expressions like, hey, how's it going? Or what's up?
Let's practice. Good afternoon, sir. How are you today? Hey, how's it going? What's up?
Small talk with colleagues at work will be different. How was your weekend? Is very common.
Or, any holiday plans? This is also a popular workplace conversation.
Let's repeat. How was your weekend? Any holiday plans?
Now let's give you very practical tips. When making small talk, try to be genuine, but not too personal.
And don't forget to listen. Don't just talk, listen to the person in front of you too. This is very important.
If you forgot someone's name, you can say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. This is very normal.
Or,
Could you remind me of your name? This is also a polite way.
Let's practice. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. Could you remind me of your name?
Now, let's give you small talk examples for different hobbies. Sports. Do you follow any sports?
Music. What kind of music do you like? Movies. Have you seen any good movies lately?
Let's repeat. Do you follow any sports? What kind of music do you like? Have you seen any good movies lately?
Travel is also a very popular topic. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently?
Or where would you like to visit? This allows talking about future plans.
Let's practice. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? Where would you like to visit?
Food topic is also great. Do you cook? Or what's your favorite restaurant around here?
These topics are safe and everyone can talk about them. Repeat. Do you cook? What's your favorite restaurant around here?
Now here's a very important point. Cultural differences. Be careful when talking with people from different cultures.
Some topics might not be appropriate in some cultures. Observe, check the reactions of the person in front of you.
And if you said something wrong, apologize. I'm sorry if I said something wrong.
Let's repeat. I'm sorry if I said something wrong.
Now, let's teach you making small talk with groups. If there are multiple people, try to include everyone in the conversation.
You can include everyone by saying, "What do you all think?"
Or, has anyone been to that new cafe? Ask group questions.
Repeat practice. What do you all think? Has anyone been to that new cafe?
Now, friends, let's teach you gaining confidence when making small talk. You don't have to be perfect.
Exactly. Mistakes are normal. The main goal is to communicate. Even if you make grammar mistakes, people will understand you.
And practice. Talk to the mirror. Record yourself. Practice with friends.
You can also practice online. There are language exchange apps. Talk with real people.
Now, let's teach you some very useful filler words. Well, actually,
These words buy you time to think. You can start a sentence by saying, "Well, I think."
Let's repeat. Well, I think. Actually, that's interesting. You know what I mean?
But don't use these words too much. Use them occasionally, not in every sentence.
Now, let's teach you different tones of small talk. Formal, casual, friendly. Adjust according to the situation.
More formal at work. "Good morning. How are you?" Casual with friends. "Hey, what's up?"
Let's practice. Good morning. How are you? Hey, what's up?
Now, let's teach you showing empathy. Respond appropriately to the emotions of the person in front of you.
If someone looks tired, you look tired. Long day?
If they look happy, "You seem happy today."
Let's repeat. You look tired. Long day? You seem happy today.
These kinds of observations make conversations deeper, but be careful not to be too personal.
Now, let's teach you reaction words you can use in small talk. Really? Oh, wow. That's interesting.
These words show your interest. The person in front of you will want to continue talking.
Repeat practice. Really? Oh, wow. That's interesting.
"No way" is also very popular. It expresses surprise. Or "seriously."
Let's practice. No way. Seriously?
Now, friends, let's teach you different ways to end small talk. For short conversations, well, see you around.
For longer conversations, this has been really nice, but I should head home.
Let's repeat. Well, see you around. This has been really nice, but I should head home.
At work, back to work, or have a productive day.
Let's repeat. Back to work. Have a productive day.
Now, let's give you body language tips for small talk. Show an open posture. Don't cross your arms.
Smile, make eye contact, but don't stare too intensely. Be natural.
And distance is important. Don't stand too close. Don't stand too far either. Consider cultural norms.
Now, let's teach you small talk on the phone. It's a bit different because we can't see body language.
How are things is frequently used on the phone. Or, what have you been up to?
Let's repeat. How are things? What have you been up to?
On the phone, your voice is more important. Speak clearly. Smile because it reflects in your voice.
Now, friends, let's teach you how to deal with awkward silences.
You can start a new topic by saying, so, or speaking of which.
Repeat practice. So, speaking of which,
Or look around and comment on something. Nice place, isn't it?
let's practice. Nice place, isn't it?
Now, let's teach you timing in small talk. It's not always appropriate. If the person in front of you is in a hurry, keep it short.
You can show understanding by saying, I don't want to keep you.
Let's repeat. I don't want to keep you.
Now, friends, let's give you small talk examples for different seasons. Winter. Cold enough for you?
Summer. Hot one today. Fall. Love this weather.
Let's practice. Cold enough for you? Hot one today? Love this weather.
Spring. Finally warming up. These seasonal topics always work.
Let's repeat. Finally warming up.
Now, let's teach you small talk for special days. Monday. Monday blues.
Friday, TGIF, meaning thank God it's Friday. Sunday, relaxing Sunday.
Practice Monday blues. TGIF. Relaxing Sunday.
These kinds of expressions are very natural, and people respond with understanding.
Now, friends, let's give you homework for small talk practice. This week, start a small conversation with at least 3 people.
Start with weather, weekend plans, or a simple compliment. You don't have to be perfect.
And record yourself. Listen to your pronunciation. Notice areas for improvement.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Even native speakers sometimes don't know what to say.
Now, let's quickly summarize what we learned today. Small talk starts with safe topics, weather, weekend plans.
Don't forget to ask questions, listen, show interest. Give reactions like, really, that's interesting.
Pay attention to your body language. Smile, make eye contact. And timing is important. Don't have long conversations with someone in a hurry.
Be confident. You don't need to speak perfect English. Communication is the goal.
And practice. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Friends, if you enjoyed this episode, please like it, subscribe to Active English Lab channel, and share it with your friends.
Yes, your support is very valuable to us. Write us about your small talk experiences in the comments.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning English. Don't be afraid to practice.
Small talk won't be a problem for you anymore. Goodbye, friends. Have a wonderful day.